If you struggle to lock into deep focus, this might be the ultimate productivity shortcut. These are the Sychedelic headphones. They bypass standard noise cancelling by embedding PPG sensors inside the ear cups to actively monitor your nervous system. The entire setup is engineered for one specific goal: total cognitive optimization. When you boost up the app, it instantly reads your heart rate the second it detects brain fog, anxiety, sleepiness, relaxation, or focus. The routine is incredibly precise. You hydrate the headband's contact nodes with a saline spray, slide into place along your hairline, and select your target mental state. From there, it delivers up to 2 million pairs to your prefrontal cortex, forcing your brain straight into a peak flow state. The Insights tab tracks your historical stress metrics and mood logs over time. If you want to systematically analyze and maximize your work windows, this is a serious upgrade.